Hi, I'm Amanda Olson, and I'm a doctor of physical therapy and certified pelvic floor rehabilitation specialist at intimaterose.com. And in clinic, I see a lot of patients who are coming in that want to strengthen their pelvic floor or have a tighter sensation around the vagina to address urinary incontinence and also to help with better sensation during sex. So the remedy for this is generally to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. And in strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, you have better closure and thus a tighter sensation around the vagina. And this is generally done by way of Kegels. Kegels are an activation of the pelvic floor muscles themselves. So you can see here on this model, everything in red here that you see coming from the front all the way to the back on the tailbone is muscle. And the same thing on the inside, so the deeper layer of the pelvic floor muscles. When these muscles are stronger, they create a tighter sensation around the vagina. And this is generally advantageous for women for a better sensation during sex. And having stronger pelvic floor muscles can also help with a stronger sensation of orgasm. So Kegel pelvic floor muscle exercises help to strengthen the pelvic floor, but oftentimes women find that it's not enough, or that they are having trouble finding the muscles, or they're doing the Kegels wrong. And this is why it's imperative to use Kegel exercise weights. They were originally designed to help find the pelvic floor muscles, and the Intimate Rose Kegel exercise weights are made of BPA-free medical grade silicone. They're really soft and smooth, and they start at 25 grams, and as the color pink gets darker and moves towards purple, the weight gets heavier. So you can then be progressively strengthening the pelvic floor muscles for an added challenge. So the weight goes into the vagina, and you can do active Kegels with it with that added resistance to get faster results, or you can put it in and be doing easy things around the house, like throw a load of laundry in or do the dishes for 10 to 15 minutes. The pelvic floor muscles are going to be active to keep the weight in. So for most busy women, they find that when they have the weight in, they are able to achieve their results faster, and they're also sure that they're doing their Kegels properly because they can feel the weight in and they can feel that lift that's happening in order to get stronger muscles for a tighter sensation in the vagina.